The original. Son took her for a drive. Ended up down a little embankment into a tree. She's toasty. I do have the certified Ford repair kit. So technically it's roadworthy, but I don't know. Getting it gutted. Taking everything off this car. Putting it on the old donor car. Picked up a 2004 Mach 1. Ended up running the VIN on Ford's website. It came back from a Dearborn, Michigan Mach 1. Had the little taggy majaggy thing there. But it's a pretty straight body besides this. Little dent down there. Easy fix. Little bullet hole. Easy fix. So far, so good. Came with a dash. I just put it in not too long ago. But it's all ripped up here and snickerdoodles. I am going to repaint it competition orange. Got the engine bay done so far. Everyone keeps bitching because the K members half paint it. Not all paint it. But it's going to go black. Eventually a K member, tubular K member is going to go in. But for right now, I'm poor. Stock K members going in. And unfortunately, the old 2 valves going in it for now. The plans are drop the 2 valve in it with the stock 5-speed. And then next winter, I'm going to try to find either a old 304 Cobra motor or just a regular 4 valve and build it up for boost. But yeah, this is my little winter project. I think I'm going to put this dash in it. I bought some of that LMR dark charcoal gray interior paint stuff. So I'm going to try that. Paint the back pieces and the rest of the dash. But yeah, I was in the middle of switching this all over to the charcoal gray black interior, but then my son decided to take it for a drive. Yeah, I got stuff everywhere. Slowly stripping it down. Next is the back bumper I'm going to put over here. I already got my trunk on. Already swapped the trunks. Got that actually lined up pretty good for just throwing it on. I got to swap over the keys and everything. So right now I got the trunk victim hooked up to a piece of string coming out. So when I'm adjusting stuff, I just gave her a pull and pop the trunk. But yeah, I'm going to swap everything over, all the brake lines, all the electrical, everything. Can't wait to see it when it's done.